Welcome to Rockville.
Feast your eyes on the class of 1972 super rare, ultra desirable candy ruby red diamond. This one is the CT70H, aka the 4-speed clutch model, which is much more desirable than 3-speed automatic. This is one that's been spared the ides of time. It's only 3,230 original miles on it. Original paint, original seat cover, all original cycle parts on the bike. We've just given it a comprehensive, what I'll call a preservation service, more than a restoration. Let me grab the work order because I don't want to speak out of school as to what we did to it, but it rides like a brand new motorcycle. It runs like new. The exhaust sounds awesome. The valves are nice and quiet. The valve train's quiet. It's all stock and original cycle parts with a brand new set of tires on it. It's also got a new battery. The fuel tank was cleaned. The carburetor was cleaned and rebuilt with a new air filter, new gear lube. The valves were adjusted. The tail lamp has new bulbs in it. The headlight's got a new bulb in it, so everything works beautifully. The horn works nice. The high beam, low beam switch is brand new. The bike runs. I'm 6'2", 220. It's very relaxing. Unlike riding a 50, like a Z50, where you're kind of cramped. You can just hop on this thing and cruise to the beach or ride it around town. It's street legal. They're good for 45 miles an hour. So on back roads, it's a lot of fun. You can keep up with traffic. It does have buddy pegs, so you can ride a passenger on it. Has a license plate bracket if you wanted to register it. It is street legal. The original candy ruby red paint job on the frame is 100% original and intact, which is pretty remarkable. The swing arm was repainted. It's a 3-stage process. That's the candy ruby red on the swing arm, and the fork lowers. Both the fork lowers had dings in them, so we bought new ones. An NOS one, we bought one new NOS one was 180 bucks, and we found a good undented used one for 127. So we spent $300 on the fork lowers, and then painted them the original candy ruby red. So mechanically, the bike's outstanding. Has a brand new 420 chain. Let me roll it around the other side here so you can see it in the sunlight. Do you have that wood that just glistens in the sunlight for sure? Lots of beautiful original chrome on this bike, original fenders, original kickstand. It's been gone right through. The chain we upgraded to a gold chain. I thought it worked really nice with the candy ruby red and gold. As you can see, that 3-stage candy ruby red paint job was done on the swing arm also. The bottom left frame was painted. The chain guard was painted. The rims were repainted, sanded, cleaned, and repainted. Both wheel hubs were polished. The engine side covers were polished, and if you look closely, that's not chrome. That's the original aluminum side cover, polished like chrome. The engine cylinder was repainted. The engine cases were repainted. The cylinder head was repainted. The inspection cover was polished. Carb was rebuilt and cleaned. The handlebars on this actually fold down, so the whole idea was you could put it in the station wagon and take it to the beach. So total labor was 46.5 hours, plus $478 in parts. So the preservation invoice with labor came to an obscenely high $7,453, but at $150 an hour, it adds up pretty quick. Every nut and bolt on this bike was polished. Every nut and bolt was serviced on it. You can see the kickstand was repainted. The pegs were repainted. The fork lowers were the failed clear coating was stripped, and they were redone in their original brushed aluminum. Rims were repainted. Of course, it's got brand new tires on it. So basically the wheels came off of it. The anything that bolt-on came off of it and was polished, cleaned, and repainted, including the exhaust. So it's a remarkably original. All the components are original. It's a remarkably good condition with low miles. And you can see there's really no evidence of any crash damage on this side here. The whole side of the bike is in mint condition. This is original paint. Has a little bit of patina on it, as you'd expect for a 52-year-old motor vehicle, but obviously stored indoors. Original chrome. Just a really cool piece that has survived 50-something years so far. So if you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. She looks like new, runs like new, and she's ready for another 50 years. Definitely an investment quality classic. A lot of fun to ride. Thanks for watching. God bless America.